Alright, we have a 2025 Nissan Frontier. We're going to be adding 2 keys to it. It's got a Autel universal key right now with an extra button on it, and it's Carvana. They like to go them out. They like them to go out with the right buttons. The truck obviously does not have a tail or a trunk, so putting 2 new keys in. It is the FCC ID ends in NX7. So lock, unlock, panic, and remote start. Already auto selected. Turn on the ignition. Alright. Just gonna do this little scanny thingy. Alright, I'm gonna score myself an Autel Universal because this key is in really good shape, and I'm assuming it's an Autel. Let's see. Yes, it is. No emergency blade cut. Cool, cool. So I got me a brand new key out of this too. So this is a 2025. I'm like 95% sure I've done one of these, and you can do it with the Autel. So we're gonna find out when it's done scanning. I should have already done this. I'm sitting there for 15 minutes charging the camera. I should have already gotten through this stuff. Camera's been on the charger for 3 days, but it turns out the charger works better if the other side of it is also plugged into the wall. Alright, we're going to go to EMO Smart System. Remote control learning. Smart key learning. Turn on hazard switch. Turn off ignition. Where is the hazards? Right there. Open and close the door. You don't really have to do that, but we're going to do it anyway. Click OK and immediately attach the smart key to the push start button. OK. Alright. Keep pressing until the instrument cluster lights up. There's that. Current status of the ignition switch is on. Click OK. I'll put this down here so I can see the lights doing what they do. Put you right there, sir. Get a key out before I lose it. Alright, ignition is on. Click OK. Turn ignition off. Okay. Start key registration, preparation, operate, blah, blah, blah. Press the start button once and the button flashes. Contact the logo to the button. Alrighty, do that. Button flash. Put the key on the button. The light turns on. Immobilizer light flashes 5 times. Okay. Turn ignition off. We have done that. Okay. Alright, so we're going to add one more. Hit add. We're going to do the same thing again. The immobilizer light is right here. Let's see if you can see that. Hit start. Hold this up. There is the lights, and there is the 5 flashes. Okay. We're done with that, so we're going to hit next. Use all registered keys to perform the following operations. Press the start button once. We got to do this again. Yes. On. 3 seconds. Start the engine. That's how to start. Turn ignition to the off position. Wait for 3 seconds. What we're going to do with the other key. Alright. Off. Start. Remote 1 works. Remote 2 works. We are good to go here. I'm just going to pick the door, cut the emergency key, and get on to the next one.